My name's Dr. Sarah Myhill. I'm here for Life, the Basic Manual. It's all about empowering patients to sort their health out for themselves. Now, when I started off in medicine, of course, I was horribly idealistic and I thought I can change the world single-handed. Now I've grown up, I'm a bit more humble and a bit more realistic, and I've now worked out that all I can do is look after my own friends, my own family and my own patients. But what I want to do is extend my method of treatment so it is available to everybody. And with that in mind, I have developed a portal which I'm calling Natural Health Worldwide. And the idea of this is anybody in the world can access any practitioner who might be a medical doctor, they might have a health qualification in acupuncture or homeopathy or herbalism, or they might be an experienced patient. And I have to say the experienced patient group of the patients is the group that I'm most interested in, because patients are incredibly knowledgeable. If you have got an illness or a disease, you are going to research it to the nth degree in order to get well. So essentially this website is an eBay for opinions, and any patient, say, can access any of these therapists. They can book their appointments online, they can pay online, and for the therapists they can run a consultancy service without any need for support staff or premises. If you've got internet connection, you can become a practitioner. Now, we are launching this through the chronic fatigue syndrome world because that's the world that I know, and most of the practitioners that are on the portal now are either my patients or people with whom I have direct contact, and so they understand the way I think about treating fatigue syndromes and chronic infections, and they have a very similar approach. And what is going to make this portal work is whenever a consultation has taken place, there is then a feedback, just like Amazon. So, you know, if you like a product, you can give them a good feedback, and if you don't like it, then you can give a bad feedback. So that the idea is one will develop a reputation online as a good therapist or whatever. Many of the expert patients, or rather the experienced patients that are on the portal, themselves have had fatigue syndromes, or they have been carers for people who have fatigue syndromes, and some of them are giving their time without charge. They're giving their time freely as a payback to the ME world, if you like. Many of the practitioners there are offering a taster session of 15 minutes, so you can at least have a brief consultation and make sure that you're compatible with whatever practitioner that is there. But when I was being investigated by the General Medical Council, many of my patients very generously sent me a donation to help me with my campaign against the GMC. I didn't spend any of that money, I saved it up, and I've used that money to launch this portal. So essentially this is a thank you from me to all my lovely patients who've been loyal to me throughout my career as a doctor, and I do hope that all of you who are watching this can find hope and sustenance on that portal.